If you're a Florida med spa, listen up. The Florida Senate Bill 1728 has officially been introduced into the Senate. Now, it hasn't passed yet, but if it does, there is a proposed effective date of July 1st, 2026. So, what does this mean for Florida med spas? This bill proposes that medical spas offering prescription medications such as injectables, compounded products, IV infusions will now operate under pharmacy level oversight, meaning they'll be regulated by the Board of Pharmacy. And honestly, I think this is great news for our medical specialty. Aesthetic medicine has expanded exponentially, but the regulatory oversight hasn't kept up with the pace. And this gap has allowed for unlicensed individuals to inject, gray market or overseas purchasing of medications just to save a buck. And these medications aren't being handled at pharmacy level standards. So stronger regulations means better traceability for these medications, clearer accountability, higher standards for storage and documentation, and fewer unlicensed individuals, or as I call them, bad actors that are operating unchecked. This isn't about banning injectables, it's about raising the floor. It establishes accountability around our prescription medications, and this is how our industry matures. If we want aesthetic medicine to be respected as real medicine, then we need to accept real regulatory structure. Now, good providers won't be harmed by this, and in fact, if you're a good provider, you're probably excited about this bill. Now, unsafe practices that have been operating in the gray will probably have a harder time surviving this bill. I think long term, this bill only strengthens our credibility, protects our patients, and elevates our industry as a whole. So I'm really excited to see what comes from Bill 1728.